Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be repairing another Nerf gun. This is a Pixelator Nerf gun. I believe this is kind of a nod to the Roblox. If you guys have kids, you know what I'm talking about, but it's like a Roblox kind of digitized gun. In the previous video, I repaired this Commander Elite 2.0 Nerf gun. The rotating assembly for the revolver here wasn't moving, and I went through, so if you want to watch that one, the link to it is in the description. So for the Pixelator, it's got a magazine, and it tells you which direction to put it in, and then the handle up here is the cocking mechanism. All that seems to work, but when you shoot, nothing happens. The dart just kind of falls out. So something is not lining up, the spring's not pushing, the air pushing out the dart or whatever. So we're going to split this thing apart, see how it operates, and see if I can't get it to shoot a dart out. Alright, so every one of these little holes has a little screw that's got to be pulled out. So I'm going to probably fast forward until all these are out. I believe this is the last one. Some of these were kind of hard to take out, and my screwdriver wouldn't just do it by hand. It was kind of spinning and this part wasn't moving. So in the event that happens, what I did is I just take a pair of pliers like this, push down and turn with the pliers to break it free, and it works every time. So I'm gonna flip it over, see if all the screws drop out of it. Okay, let's see how easy this comes apart now. Oh yeah. That piece comes off. Remember that. That comes off there. Okay. Oh, nice. Way easier than the last one I did. Oh. Alright, we'll set that off to the side for now. Okay. So this comes back. That all seems to be working. That was smart. Alright. Got it all back together after the big explosion. I'm not sure what was put together and what wasn't, but I did figure out how this thing works, I believe. So you guys obviously saw me cock this thing back, and it locks into place. Here there's a mechanism, a little flapper door, and there's a little clock spring in there that keeps that flapper closed. And I believe that's to keep the dart from just sliding out of the barrel. And so when this is all kind of together with the other half of it on, here we go. You guys can see the flapper go open, close, that guy right there. And that was all apart. Could have been because it just went twang and everything went away, but that little clock spring pulls that back when this lever is released. So I put that in there, and then this spring was off here. So the problem I have right now is I don't know what was together and what wasn't. So I'm just kind of running through it and making sure everything looks like it's together. This spring here was over there too, so I know it went twang. Whether or not it was off or on, I'll have to review the footage. Maybe you guys will see it, but this spring keeps this lock mechanism. So when this bolt goes back, this piece is pushed up into a keeper that holds the bolt in place. So when you pull the trigger, that pulls this down, which releases it, and at the same time that flapper comes down, which allows it to go. So I'm gonna reassemble it just as is, because it looks like everything's functioning correct. The springs are in place, everything is together that's supposed to be together. And so I'm going to pretend that there's nothing broken and just reassemble everything. And then if I still need to do anything, then we'll figure it out then. So, handle here, that rides in a groove. This piece here, so this piece, as it slides across, it's pushing down these levers here. So everything looks like it's together. This piece here with the clock spring is pushed all the way down. I noticed that this gets stuck kind of on the barrel here if this is not pushed down all the way. So make sure that is down. All right, now let's put the other half of the gun on here. Maybe. Oh, I still need this guy. Let's put that on there. Line everything up best you can. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, maybe. Oh, looks right. I'm gonna throw a couple screws in here just to kind of hold the two halves together. I'm not gonna put everything back on, but I just want it to stay intact while I test. Alright. Got a few screws in there, that's good enough for now. I'm gonna do a functions test just to make sure. Okay. Okay. Sounds like it functions. Let's put a magazine in. There it goes. I must have done it. So I'm not sure what was off, but oh. Uh-oh. Something came apart. Oh, okay. Okay, well, fired the first shot, but the second shot didn't fire. So let's see what came apart. Oh, geez. That must have been it then. Okay, let's see here. What? So that mechanism with the clock spring went twang. That must be what kind of does it. Not sure why it's going twang, but it is. So I'm going to rewind this clock spring up here because I found this when I pulled this apart laying all the way up here, and it wasn't even in the slot it's supposed to be. So what's supposed to happen is you twist this clock spring up. This little rod right here is what this piece goes onto, and it goes floop, 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 and I believe it kind of pushes the dart kind of back, something like that. I don't know, no idea, but I know it's important because when it's not together it doesn't function. So clock spring, we're gonna fumble through this and mess it up a bunch of times before it actually works. I'm going to twist the clock spring around this a little bit and try to hold it down and put it on here at the same time, which, oh my god, it worked. Sort of. Alright. So now that's established. Let me get a close up on here. So that sits there, and then you pull the trigger and it allows that to open. You guys can see that, right? Good. So that is functioning, and I know we got one dart out the first time when we put it all together, and then all this went and twing into here. So that tells me that somehow when I put the second half on, this end didn't go into that hole. So now I have to pay attention a little more closely and make sure when I'm putting these two halves together that slides in there like that. There. Okay. Now let's put a few more screws in there, and then we'll do a take two on this and see if now it works any better. And fire. Ooh, yeah, that worked. We'll go twice. Oh, it went twice. We'll do it 3 times. It's working. Cool. So it must have been that clock spring mechanism and that little cup keeper. Don't ask me why or how. I don't know. All I know is that they have to be on there for this to actually function correctly. So now that I know that's all functioning, I can put the million screws back in this, put all the little added colorful pieces back on, and have a finished product. And let's try this again. Everything still looks like it's there. There we go. Alright. That's functioning correctly. Now let's see if it'll work with these other kind of skirts. I wonder if that's part of the problem. Oh, that works too. Alright, so that's it. You just gotta put the darts in the right way. So that's it. It's back together. It's functioning. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So that's how I fix the Pixelator Nerf gun. The next will be this guy. So stay tuned. The next video, I'll be tackling that.